just click on that, and it should pop open help article and kind of walks you through, all the different options and best ways you can use it. So that's the tutorial section, but in terms of how this tool works, so basically it allows you to extract emails from LinkedIn. It's a Chrome extension. You simply download it and install it in developer mode. So it's a very specific way that you do it. But you download the extension, you go to LinkedIn, and then you can extract the contacts and the emails from the profiles automatically. So a super helpful feature there. And you can find all your lists here once you get going. And then this from web browsing, any website that you browse, you can find emails of employees of actually other websites that you visit, and it's kind of a similar approach. So you install the Chrome extension and upload it in developer mode. Then you create a list where you want to save these contacts in, because you've got to have them somewhere stored right under a list where you can find them later. And then you simply browse the website, and there's a small widget that'll be displayed on the page with the mentioned find contacts on website. And this works very similar to like hunter.io or find that lead. But obviously for the price that you're getting with Conversion Blitz, you're getting a whole suite of other software as well. So really, really great tool here, and it's just one of many. So that's the LinkedIn. You can also extract emails. So you can extract emails from a list of domains. You simply upload a list of domains below, and we'll extract all the emails available on each page. So they give you some examples here. You can name your list, put it in a separate folder to keep everything organized. You simply upload your list, and then they will find the emails, the phone numbers, and the social media URLs. And you can even transfer those data to different campaigns, which we'll go through in just a minute. So speaking of such, we also have we call it a sales sequence or cadence newsletter campaign with unlimited emails to send. So if I click into this, now this is kind of a beast here in terms of the options that we offer, but this is basically a great replacement for any email autoresponder service that you use, like Aweber or GetResponse, really anyone that you use, because you're getting a lot more features and a lot more in terms of sending for what you're paying. So just kind of going through it really quickly, you can create a new campaign just like you would in any other email autoresponder. You also have a CRM that's included. So if you know of HubSpot or any other CRM tools like Salesforce, you're actually going to get an entire CRM with lead scoring here. And you can assign points, 1 point when they open, 1 point when they click, 3 points if they reply, and you can kind of set up your whole automation so that it's based off of what your customers are doing. If you know anything about email marketing, you know how powerful that is from a variety of standpoints. You can see all your replies. You can set up your sender, so you'd simply connect an SMTP sender, and we kind of walk you through all the different options here. If you want to use Gmail, how to use the IMAP section, and how to enable that. You can include your signature. You can also include a daily limit, so we'll stop sending the emails once we reach this limit for the sender. Specify times as well. So a whole host of features there. We also offer templates, so you can create a new template, or you can use one of the ones that we provide for you.